Habari za mchana from beautiful Zanzibar. I'm gonna go get some food because I'm really hungry. The Tanzanian food is really good. Mambo. Salaam alaikum. Okay. Chipsi mayai una. Okay. And hii ni mshikaki. Vipaja. Okay. Nyama choma.
Nyama choma.
Okay. Naomba chipsi mayai na nyama choma.
Vingapi vipaja?
Yeah, okay. Hey, yeah.
How many vipaja?
Tatu. Tatu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, okay?
Okay.
Hapo unachekea kitu?
Kuna meza? Nakula hapa. Okay.
Njoo.
Okay.
Japo kidogo unakijua Kiswahili. Japo kidogo.
Yeah.
Au hakipande?
Salaam alaikum dada.
Inapanda.
Mambo. Kwa wazungu.
Special kwa wazungu?
Yeah. Hawanajui chipsi mayai ni nini.
Hawajui?
Yeah.
Samahani kaka, huku kuna watu wengi eh? Bado kuna watu huko.
Chipsi mayai is basically French fries and eggs cooked together into an omelette. Simple as that, but it's really good. Mambo vipi? Poa. Yeah. Nyama ni tamu?
Nyama tamu.
Okay. Na nitafurahi. Ndio. Tatu. Asante.
Saladi?
Yeah, okay. Kidogo.
Salt?
Yeah, naomba.
Mayonnaise?
Yeah, naomba.
Black pepper?
What? Napenda? Or black pepper?
Yeah.
I thought you said black people. Okay, black pepper. Yeah, naomba.
Black pepper.
Nimefikiri. Ulisema watu weusi.
Tomato.
Yeah, naomba. Napenda zote. Asante sana.
Piga. Anything?
Sawa. Sasa ni sawa.
Yeah.
Kijiko?
Kijiko nataka.
Una kijiko? Boss, naomba kijiko.
Sasa ufanye kazi mjini.
Sorry? Okay.
Wait.
Okay. Mkono tu. The proper way to eat all Tanzanian food is with your hands, but I'm holding the camera at the moment. Wewe ni Mzanzibari?
Mimi ni Mzanzibari.
Okay. Unaishi hapa maisha zote?
Maisha yetu niko hapa.
Okay.
Sipendi kuondoka.
Mimi siku moja. Yeah.
Lugha ya Kiswahili unajifunza wapi?
Dar es Salaam. Simu, nina mwalimu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Karibu Zanzibar.
Asante sana.
Alolete kijiko huko.
Alright, so on the top you have nyama choma. Asante. Asante kaka. Yeah. Alright, so on the top here you have nyama choma, which is basically grilled beef. Or grilled, I think it's grilled chicken in this case. Kaka, hii ni kuku au ng'ombe? Okay, kuku. Okay. So this is chicken, grilled chicken. Okay. Napenda. And then under that You have
And
Chipsi mayai.
We call it zege in Zanzibar.
Zage.
Not chipsi mayai, zege.
Zage.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Mbali mbali.
Yeah.
Kwa nini mbali mbali? Zage.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Zege means concrete.
100.
Concrete.
Conquered.
Concrete, yeah.
Oh, conquered. Okay. Like the.
Once you eat it, actually you can
You are
just
conquered.
survive for a long time.
Okay, okay. I had no idea. Okay, so this is Zengi. Zege. This is Zege in Zanzibar. Chipsi mayai in Dar es Salaam. The rest of Tanzania. And that's basically eggs and fries. And it's really good street food. It's good if you're drunk, which doesn't happen very often in Zanzibar. But maybe in Dar es Salaam after samaki. I'm gonna dig in here. Very good. I'm being conquered. I gave up on using the spoon. And now we know why the cats are here.
So, I need to go to pray, okay?
Go to pray. Okay. Yeye anafanya kazi kwa wewe?
Inside this one.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. A very important thing to keep in mind about Chipsi mayai is that the portions they give you are very, very big. Like, I think I'm only about halfway done with this thing, and I'm already full, and I can eat a lot. Hence, very good junk food. Very full. Nimeshiba.
Umeshiba?
Nimeshiba sana. Chakula kingi. Kaka, una mfuko?
Una mfuko?
Yeah.
You just put in the foil and actually.
Okay, foil. Yeah.
Fanya basi mtilie.
I don't want to waste it.
Yeah. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Alaweka kwa wingi hiyo.
How do you say this in Swahili?
Foil.
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 It's just foil. All right. Weka.
Always we use.
Weka juu ya foil.
Yeah. Like kuna mafuta mengine.
Tayari.
Okay.
Kaka, kuna maji kuosha?
Maji yako.
Okay. Before almost any meal in Tanzania, you should try to find one of these to wash your hands, because you're primarily eating with your hands. Kaka. San. Okay, kwaheri. Masalama.
Karibu.
Salam alaikum.
Salam.
You have the mosque right here next to the street food stall. So that stall is like the place to be after going to prayers. There's a reason every Muslim gets really fat during Ramadan. Nina swali, hii ni kanisa?
Kanisa la minara miwili.
Okay,
Ndio hili
asante.
kisikia. Kanisa kubwa la minara miwili.
Alright, so this is apparently a church. I didn't even know they had churches on Zanzibar, but there you go. Alright, so I think that's about it for today. Watch out for this guy. Okay, so as I was saying, I think that's gonna be it for today. I got my doggy bag here, my Zanzibar doggy bag, and I'm gonna head home and just stare at a wall for the rest of the day. So you have a good one.